And so we have two presidents. I told you it would be close. And on the heels of the election, U.S. equity markets jumped higher this week. This was the best week since April as monetary handouts and quantitative easing hopes replaced blue wave fiscal handout hopes. The Nasdaq was up a stunning 9.5% on the week. However, small caps and the Dow lagged, up only about 7%. Well, I tried, but that was the best I could do for you. In historical terms, this was the best election week performance for stocks since FDR was elected in 1932, and no, I was not around then. Also interesting was that this was the best election week for gold since the end of the gold standard, with both gold and silver doing well on the week. So, let's take a look at the charts. But before we get to our charts, this chart here is important to keep in mind. As you can see, while the Nasdaq and other stocks soared, the so-called smart money and Elvis have left the building. To me, it doesn't matter who left, smart money or dumb money. It makes no difference. It's money. Money is leaving the market, so be on notice. Okay, let's go look at our charts. And so we're looking at the 3-year weekly chart on the spiders, the SPY, and the close on Friday was 350.16. Now, as you can see, that top there, this top here, and this top here, we still have a downward trend. So again, that money is leaving the market. Be on notice. Moving down here, volume's not going to tell you much as usual. Here into the MAC, we can see again, that top here, and we have this temporary top here. Again, a downward trend, still intact. Histogram shows you the same. Price rate of change goes back a little bit further, but still, the downward trend is still intact. Moving here to the RSI, going back even further, the downward trend is still intact. Moving here into the stochastics, you pretty much see the same thing. And then again, the Williams. So for today, the trend, the downward trend, is still intact. We're still in that danger zone. We need to move up above this trend line decisively, very strongly, and perhaps measurably. We're not there yet. So until we are, be on notice. And for today, that's ChewDog charts. Thank you.